Revolutionizing digital transactions. E-signature. Adobe e-signature streamlines document workflows with secure, efficient electronic signings, reducing paper use and accelerating processes. Vital for organizations aiming to excel in competitive markets. Streamlined signature collection. Discover the expanded capabilities of e-signatures. Sending documents for signature, monitoring their status, and gathering them has never been simpler. Power small businesses and global brands with over 8 billion e-signatures. Small enterprises and international corporations alike rely on our e-signatures. With a track record of over 8 billion e-signatures processed, Adobe ensures that each transaction is secure and legally binding, instilling confidence in your processes. Convert any file type to accessible PDFs with seamless mobility. Generate PDFs from any source. Transform scans, images, web pages, and Microsoft files into accessible PDFs that you can share, access, and collaborate on from any location. Stay productive across all devices, anytime, anywhere. Access your PDFs across all devices seamlessly. Remain connected to your PDF activities no matter where you are. Resume your work effortlessly across your laptop, smartphone, and tablet devices. Simplify your paperwork, sign digitally, and streamline your business processes effortlessly. SIMSS is an accredited reseller in the Philippines by Acrobat. Other SIMSS products is compatible to e-signature such as e-financing, cloud-based file management, and SIMSS Negocio web application. SIMSS e-signature is an end-to-end encryption digital signature accepted by most court of law globally. Visit our website for more details.